YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So we got another quick fix video on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. We've got the all gray version here for you guys today, so if it looks a little different than yours, it's okay. This will still work with yours. It's the same cleaner, they just released two different types of colors for you. So we actually have the all gray version. We're going to show you guys how to remove the wheels. So really simple, as you guys can see on both wheels. They use the exact same, let's call it a hubcap here in the middle. It's a wheel screw. So we're going to remove the wheel screw, which really simple. It's only meant for a flathead screwdriver. So you're just gonna go ahead and stick your flathead screwdriver in there. Remember that all of this stuff is plastic. So if you have the option to use a bigger screwdriver than what I'm currently using right now, it may be more beneficial for you, because as you guys can see, this is on here pretty tight, and I don't want to just create a huge divot in the plastic screw. So in the case that this is already fallen off of your cleaner and the wheels popped off and you're just going to put a new one on, obviously it's a much easier to screw back on than it is to take off. This is a brand new unit, so it hasn't seen water, so everything is still factory tight. So we're just going to go ahead and do our best here to make sure that we don't destroy the wheel screw, and keep going. Eventually you always hit a nice easier point, which here we are. There it goes. So with each wheel screw, you're going to need a wheel screw bearing. So when you do purchase the wheel screws, it does come with the wheel bearings, but at the same time, I apologize, this is a washer. So you have your wheel screw with a washer. So typically you can buy them together. They're also sold separately. So if you've still got a good washer and you only need a screw, you can buy one or the other. Again, make sure you check out all the links in the description for that. But as you guys see, really simple. Once you unscrew it, it's just plastic to plastic. This is just a plastic piece. So they do break, they do wear, depending on your chemical composition, all the above. You do need to replace these. Sometimes if they get real sloppy and the wheel can wiggle, you want to make sure you start with the wheel screws to make sure that wheel's plugged in real tight to the cleaner to make sure that it functions right. So if you're looking to take them all off, all you're gonna do is follow the same step that I did for the one and go ahead and remove them. The wheels are directional. You guys can see one end actually has like little teeth, and then the outer end kind of gives you your spoke look, very similar to your car. I'm just gonna go ahead, make sure you slide that back on. Washer, wheel screw, and go ahead and put that in there, and then just reattach this wheel screw. Try to get it as tight as you can. Again, you don't want slop. Once you get the slop like this, your cleaner's not going to function properly. You want everything to remain nice and tight right from the factory, so that way it operates the way that it should. So you're just going to want to give it good cranks. Again, try not to destroy them as much as I am. Maybe be beneficial if you had a bigger flathead than I do, but we're making do with what I got. And as you guys can see, there's a very little wiggle, so you don't want any wiggle, so you're going to try to get that in there as tight as you possibly can to eliminate that wiggle on the wheel. Alright, so once you guys get that wheel screw on and the wheel's nice and tight, you guys are ready to go. The cleaner should get plugged right back in and pump turn on and get to cleaning your pool. Make sure you guys check out all the links in the description. We have all these parts available to purchase on our website. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.